Continue on from the previous lesson or open the file UVW02. In this lesson we'll do the same thing that we did with the arms to the legs. So in the front view, go ahead and select Face Subobject mode and select our legs. Make sure that you have the proper selection and click on Cylindrical. Align to Z and fit. Now again we can bring up the edit window, and actually this is a really good setup right here, so I'm happy with that, and I'll just pop out of cylindrical mode and select the leg on the other side. I've selected a bit too much in this case, so what I'm going to do is just click on this little minus in selection parameters to bring that down and choose cylindrical. Choose fit to fit it to the selection and take a look in the edit view. Now I can see in this edit view that the selection is not quite right, and that's one of the good things about using this interactive editing also, is I can take this, move it over here, and I can see that I have this big chunk taken out of both sides here, and that's because the selection isn't right. Through here I need to have some more faces selected. So I can just pop out of cylindrical, select these two faces, and you see I have the green seam right there. So select these faces throughout, hit cylindrical again, maybe just do a quick fit, and it'll fit it into place, and there I have that edit done. One of the other time savers that's inherent in this process is, now that I've created both of these legs as well as arms, is I can just kind of move them into place as I do it. I don't really need to go through and then unwrap and then pile through this jumbled mess and to find out which is which. I can just kind of go in and find out this is the top of the leg, that's the top of this leg, and where the top of the arms are. So I can rotate these arms so that they're facing the right direction, and just place everything while I'm doing it. So now that we have that under control, we'll just go ahead and unwrap the head using tried and true cylindrical method. Make sure we have the proper selection here. And again, just click on cylindrical, take a look in the edit view, and you see we have our face here, and we can just adjust the UV to fit the head. And there we go. And you see it's kind of, the back could be around the back side of the head, so we'll just rotate that all the way through, and that looks just right. Through the back of the head we have nice square edges, and we'll uncheck that. And actually, instead of bothering with going and deciding what to select here, we can just select the entire body here, cylindrical map that, and fit it. And actually this is running right down the back, and we have the nice holes for the arm. So basically we're 100% mapped here with some nice cylindrical maps, and if we hop out, you can see that we have some fairly nice mapping all over this character. There's some stretching here and maybe under here that we can fix in a moment, but it's been a really quick process of going through and UVW mapping this character all in Unwrap UVW.